today me and my dad together are going to draw an elephant. Let's start. First, draw a line like this. And another line like this. And a U, and up here like this. And then down and up. And then a line like that. And then down like this and up. And then a big circle. Or question mark without the dot. And now it up like that. And down. Then this line we made earlier, connect that to this line. Now, A, and like that, without up here. And then a circle like this. And then a circle. And then another circle in there like this. And then eyelashes. Now, down here and draw a line like this. And more. And one more. And one like this. Other at the other leg. We're done. I think we're missing something. I think its trunk is gone. Oh, this is its trunk. Time to color. First we'll add some black, or then we'll add some brown. I'm done coloring. I'm actually almost done coloring. That it looks so beautiful. I want to go play with it. After I'm done coloring. We'll add some brown and then I'll finally go play with it. I'm almost done. I'm done. I think elephants are usually black or brown, but you can color it however. Yellow, orange, blue, any color. To make it just like a dog toy, a baby's toy, whatever toy. Bye!